Curity offers an official AWS AMI. In this recording, we're going to take a look at how to use the AMI to get an instance of the Curity Identity Server up and running. Navigate to the AWS Management Console, and we'll go into the EC2 dashboard. Under Images, we have an AMI section where we can search for a public image. The Curity images starts with Curity dash and then the version number. I'm going to search for 5 dot here. And in the result, we can see that we have several versions. 5.3.1 is the latest. One important aspect here is to check the owner ID of these AMIs. Make sure that it's the Curity one. Once I have one selected, we can choose to launch the AMI, and we can select what instance type we want to use. The instance details I'm going to leave at default here. Same with storage. We could change these parameters, obviously. We could optionally choose to add some tags to this. In the security group, I am going to add 2 additional rules here. The first one is for the admin port 6749. I'm going to do this for a specific IP here as the source, and the second is for the runtime endpoints, which is 8443. With this, we can now review this and then launch the instance. Here we have to either select an existing key pair or create a new. I don't have one, so I'll create a key pair here. And then download the file. Now we are ready to launch the instance. It usually takes a little while before the instance is available, but if we go to view instances here, we can see it in the list of instances. It's pending. If we click the instance ID, we will get some more details. This is where we can see the private DNS, private IP, but also the public IP and the public DNS name. So I'm going to pick the public DNS name here, since we need to connect to the instance itself. I'm going to use SSH and the key that I downloaded, the user's ID SVR, and then the public DNS name here. We can SSH to this host, and there's a file in here. We can cat the Curity admin password file in order to get the admin username and password. Now obviously this should preferably be changed after the first login, but this is where we can pick up the password for the admin user. Now if we go copy the same public DNS name here, we can go to a browser, HTTPS hostname port 6749 with the endpoint admin. Gives us a self-signed certificate warning that we have to accept, but now we are at the Curity admin UI login where we can log in with the password we just picked up.